Hey guys, so I'm gonna tour through Lotte Department store because they say that it's really big, there's so much to do, 10 floors of just shops, food, clothes. So I want to explore this with you guys. Let's go. So this is what the Lotte department store has. Oh, this is also a hotel. They're so luxurious. That's so cool. So the department stores are this way. It's so big. And it's a hotel, I think. So maybe that's why it's full of people. Okay, maybe it's not 10 floors of just stuff because, again, this is a hotel. Krispy Kreme donuts again. I already showed you what the donuts looked like. And they're super cute. And I might take some home for my mom. Okay, this is the Food Avenue Lotte department store, which means you're probably gonna find a lot of food here. Very nice. Oh, it doesn't even look real. Why does it look like plastic? It's so pretty. Asian produce is always super nice looking. Like those apples. What? Those apples are bigger than my hand. Or those peaches. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the melons. Those are like $30 melons. Ah, typical Asia, you guys. $45 for a watermelon. Nothing new, nothing new. Oh, look at that. Mango milk cheesecake. Oh, I bet that's good. Oh, that looks so good. Wait, but it looks so crumbly to be a cheesecake. What? Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory made in Japan. Look at the ice cream. Okay, if it's what I think it is, then I just got lucky today. Those ice creams, I forgot what they're called, but they're only found in Osaka and they're made with 12% milk fat. So they're super creamy and they're so good. Aw, I might come back. Aw, look at these. They look small, but honestly, it's a lot of cake. One time for my birthday party, I had a little doll and her dress was the size of that cake. And my mom thought it wouldn't be enough for my cousin and me and my parents and her mom. So she went and bought a bigger cake. But we didn't even finish the little princess cake. It was a lot of cake. Okay, bakery. This is a bakery. More pastries. I want to go look at them real quick. Just look. Oh, this is a bad place to just look. I want all this. Ooh. I have never heard of some of these for breads, but they look super good. Okay, more cakes. I honestly like fresh made cakes simply because it has the best flavor, whereas packaged cakes already lose the flavor and they're dry and crumbly. You can't go wrong with fresh. Oh, these are filled with cream. I've seen these. Not in person, but I've seen these before. I think that's matcha. Yeah, matcha roll. Those roll cakes are always good. Ooh. Fancy, fancy. Sadly, I had to walk away from the food, but it's okay because this place has so much more to offer. Like makeup. I don't really wear makeup because I don't know how to apply it. Sometimes I'll wear mascara and sometimes I won't, because if you guys watched my previous video, it rained on me and then I looked like I was crying mascara. It was ugly. Look at what I just found. Mr. Bones. What the? Aww. I don't know why I think he's cute. It made me laugh when I saw him. This is cool. And over there, there's a waterfall. That's very nice too. This is so cool. Okay, I should not record. I feel like someone's gonna tell me something. Oh, it's over there. Look at that. That's so cool. It's like a rainforest right outside your house or your hotel. Oh. Whoa. Champagne Mod Selection Reserve Vintage 2008. I'm guessing that that's around $130, I think. That's a lot of money for wine. Time to go. Okay, this is the lobby of the hotel. It's really fancy. Right now I saw a buffet, the buffet this hotel has to offer. And for dinner, it can go all the way to $130 per person. But you have to consider the fact that most of the food, cakes, etc. that they have in there is everything that I showed you earlier in their market, in their dessert market, in their food market. It's so fine looking and probably very expensive, so it makes sense. There's also a museum in the Lotte Hotel. Hotel Museum, that's cool. So this is the history of the hotel and its resorts. They're preparing for globalization, all their awards and accomplishments, manifesto for the vision of customer-oriented service. Ooh. Showplate of Metropolitan Club. Is that real silver? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know, but that's really cool. I think everything's cool. My new word should be cool. And then, oh, these are matchboxes, guys. They have all the ones they have made. There's Disco Bistro Hotel Latte, Hotel Latte Seoul, Korea, Hotel Latte The Prince Eugene, and then these are staff uniforms of Lotte Hotel. Chef, doorman, cook. The waiters have two different ones. Roommate, front staff. Ooh, floor greetress. They wear the nice Korean traditional dresses. Oh, I totally missed these. So it says main plate, soup bowl, butter knife, fish knife. Oh, I would love to actually learn how to use the silverware and what each thing is meant for. Elegant and classy. I love that. I didn't know there was an appetizer plate. What? This is cool. I'm learning so much. Okay. This is a replica of the Lotte Hotel. I think I'm saying it wrong. It's not, I don't think it's Lotte. Maybe it's Lotte. There's the little cars. Look at the little cars. I think I would be a good car. There's this really cool golden boat. Oh! Korea's first fashion show by designer Norano was held at Bando Hotel on October 29th, 1959. That is so cool. I thought fashion, especially in Korea, would have had, I don't know, a super big start, but it started at this hotel. Maybe that's really good actually, because this hotel seems to have a really, really good reputation. But I would have never thought a fashion show started at a hotel, especially in Korea. Like, there's so much fashion everywhere. It's time to go back. Look at the chandelier. I feel like we might be going the wrong way. Here it says floor 7 guest rooms. I think this is wrong. We should have stayed where all the food was and then used the elevators there. I think this is a nice tour of this place. See, looking for a poncho could take you on a whole adventure. That's why you should always look for ponchos wherever you go. That is my travel tip when you go to Korea. Look for a kid's poncho because you probably won't find one that easily. And since you won't find one that easily, you'll probably go to a bunch of different places and you'll end up finding cool stuff like this. There's no doubt in my mind that Korea is one of the most beautiful places to visit. I will most likely come back someday. Oh, look at these bagels. Why are they black? That's cool. Ooh, look, National Geographic. I didn't know National Geographic had a brand. Look at this suitcase. Why is it so wide? I see the baby stuff. I'm so happy. You don't know how long we've been looking for this raincoat. Hopefully there's some here. There has to be a raincoat here. If there isn't a raincoat, I give this place a thumbs down. Okay, there might be a raincoat here in National Geographic. There's beanies. There's bags. This isn't raincoat. Is this raincoat material? Maybe. Okay, this might be raincoat material. This might work. All this clothes is so pretty. Makes me wonder why there aren't more babies in the world. Like, don't parents want to buy their kids all this stuff? No luck with the baby raincoat. Well, in their defense, the kids' clothes is very pretty. This is never ending. You turn, and then there's a whole nother passage to a different part of the mall. Ah! Ooh. Nike Myeongdong. They outdid themselves here. Nike, sponsor me. Look at those creepy looking giraffes. Oh, it's like a gallery. Oh, look at these. They're Lego teddy bears. Okay, so we went through most of what this place had to offer, but there's so much more that there's not enough time to see every single little thing. Unfortunately, I feel like we have reached the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed the tour of this wonderful place, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and turn on your little bell of notifications because soon I'll be showing you guys more of what Korea has. Bye!